Alright, it has come to my attention that there is an issue with one of my missions, so let's see if we can't get that updated. So first things first, let's make sure that everything is up to date. So the simplest way to that is to go to GitHub, and then you can click this this button that is not here because I'm in the wrong place, my bad. Click on your icon top right, click on repositories, and here we're gonna go to missions. This is my fork of the setup. So here we can click on sync fork. This one is already up to date, so we don't have to do anything. I am running, I do have some of the other repos downloaded as well, so I'm just gonna quickly check that they are also up to date. I will be showing this off using Github Desktop, but I have these in Git Crack in a different program, so I'm just checking. Yeah, so this one, the core is up to date. Tails framework is up to date. Yes. Units is some weird things that's happening here. Let's discard this. I don't know what that is. But this is up to date. Let's just put it for good measure. Cool. And let's close that. We don't want that. Then we want to go to GitHub. Don't know what this user map says. It keeps happening. I'm just going to delete it. It's not something I actually want anyway. In here, we are on GC emissions. We're on master. We want to make sure that this is all up to date. So we're going to fetch the origin. So we saw on the website that I have on the website the correct version. Let's also make sure that locally I have the same version. So I like to click this a few times, pull it. That way we are certain what we have is actually there. All right, let's make a new branch. That's just copying everything from the master. So this is my traffic jam update. So it is my traffic jam mission. We're just gonna make an update to it. So let's call it like this. And this is all perfect. This we can wait for a second. So let's close that down. And let's close this down. And let's open up tools. For this, I also went into Armory Forger, clicked on the server, joined the server. That way I know I have all of the right mods. In case the server's down, you can also, I forget if it's core or if it's missions, like go find those, what's it called? Those mods and get them in the game. That way it's gonna get all of the mods and just show you up to date. In here, it's also a good idea to just go down to add projects, scan for projects, make sure you're in your add-ons folder, scan. That way you're always up to date. All right, let's open it up. And let's open up the mission. So at this point, I am assuming that you have some ideas. I'm not going to explain every single step, but yeah, open up the mission. This is one of our fun new errors. I'm just like, ignore this. All right. Well, already here we can see there's something happening. This was a custom prefab I had. If we click on it and press P, we can see that this is a prefab that I have under my mission. It was set up, it was a supply truck, and it was set up with unlimited supply. So when you got, actually it's not a supply truck, it's a repair truck, sorry. So when you got into city, it would always have full supplies. Clearly that is not working. I'm also missing every other vehicle except for the Rattles. Interesting. Alright, well, definitely got a few things to fix. Let's wait with this one, that's the biggest one. So we definitely need some vehicles here. Interesting, I guess we have something that got removed from the mod pack. Let's see if we can find it. Maybe just moved or something? It's kind of weird. What is this? It's a truck. What is that? Transports? Did I really have that many? I guess I did. Alright. Don't really like that. What are you? You are without. That's not good. Without the actual place to sit. And I don't think we have any desktop versions in here, so we probably need to find one in here. If you add that ET after, you're always only gonna get these, the ones that actually have. What is that called? Sure, there's a better way of finding these. Am I missing out on something here? There's ammo, there's arsenal, that's closed. What the? I pretty much just opened up the same ones. We're gonna need you. You go over there. There we go. And what are you? You're transport, okay. This is potentially a transporter? Let's just see if that is actually is a transport. I'm pretty sure it is, but don't want to be placed them all in and figure out it isn't. Another error. Yes, this is all fine. Out of bounds errors is fine. It's not, but no idea what it's for. Oh, yeah, we can see what I actually want in my formation. Transport, transport, transport. Okay, I had 3 transports. That all checks out. Okay. Cool. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, this is what we want. Just get out of that. Where are they up there? So we need to find the one that's supposed to be here. Just gonna keep it in here so we can keep track of it. I'm naming it the same thing because I have some triggers that are looking specifically for this one. Setting the attachment to the same. Okay, it doesn't actually have any of that. That's... Yeah, I think this is... Enable, move, and freeze. I don't know. Don't think that does anything. Let's delete that. Move that a little closer, copy paste that. Go to the next one. Let's just place that there. Set for rifle 1, 3. Cool. Split that up. Delete that. Go to number 3. And this one is rifle engineering. Alright. Then we're missing an entire ambulance. So we can't find an M997. Exterior. Could be this one. Ooh, did I add like a bunch of medical supplies to you? I don't remember. Just quickly gonna open up my briefing for this one. Where did I put my briefing? So of course it's also in-game, but it's just easier to read here. So under sustainment, oh, I may have added stuff here. Available vehicles. Oh no, we're gonna have to update all of that. Oh, that's annoying. All right, let's just place it and then we come back to that. So again, have to rename it. Move it up. This is for 1.6. I don't know what all of these are. Ooh, okay. This is lucky. This is lucky. So we can actually see, I guess because I changed it for this one, we can see it for this one. Okay, let's keep that one. Let's just keep that one for now. All right, so here we have a covered long. Is that just a truck? No, that's like one of those small vehicles. Right, yeah. Canvas long. Ugh. The other one. This is what I want. Here. Stop it. Okay. And this one also needs to 1.6. So anything else that we need to fix right now? Anything else that might be missed? I think that is all fine. Still waiting with that guy. Let's just take a look at this guy. Can we oh, that's not the button I want to click. I wanted to show only modified. Okay, so we only change multi-slots. Where we have tourniquets, morphine. Okay. Don't know if I can copy this. Copy property path. No, I don't think I can. Can I copy you? Copy. Let's see if that works. this in here, right? Oh my god, I already forgot. We are in multi-slots, multi-slot configuration. Multi-slots. Okay. So if we just... That did not work. I tried to control V to paste it in. Maybe if I do paste here. That did either nothing or everything. What is actually... Oh, wait, what? Am I copying something that actually has nothing in it? That seems annoying. Let's try this one. Copy. Paste. Oh, that seems to be working. Alright, cool. I'm just gonna delete you. Delete is not an option. Cool. It is what it is. Let's just add a few of you. Move that to the top so we know that's done. So we done bandages. This is morphine. Copy this, open it up so we can see we've done it. Cool. Paste, add one more. Copy. One more. And that should be the last one. Because I messed that up. Cool. Okay, so we have bandits there, and we had bandits. I think we have too many bandits. Never have too many bandits. Sailing back. Yeah, I can live with that. That's fine. This we can delete now. Cool. So you have nothing in it? You have field dressing. What are we stating it should be now? We're saying there should be additional ammo. Medical stuff. Vehicles. Ugh, okay. Okay. Gonna copy that to one of the trucks and then cry a little that we didn't do this first. Copy. Is there no way, like... Okay. Just gonna ignore that. Definitely gonna have to do a jump cut in this or something. This is very fun to be looking at, I'm sure. Okay, so we did not copy this one, I think. Copy. Paste, close. Open. Sure, I hope someone who's looking at this is gonna be able to. Oh my god, I'm doing it the wrong way. Already fucked it up. Already fucked it up. The fuck did I just do? Should I fuck this up? Pretty sure I already fucked this up. But it is what it is. Can probably do this through fucking text editing. That would have been smarter. Nothing got covered. Why did nothing get covered? Cool. Okay. This is now probably fine. Fine enough. It's what I'm going with. So let's just copy this to there. Into this one was used out here. Okay. So we know that we need to change that. We know this is for cool. Okay. I don't care about you. So this is fine. Now to this. So I have this here because this is a supply truck, no, a repair truck. And it has the ability to repair. Don't actually know if that thing can do the same. I think we're going to assume that it can. Just gonna hope for the best time. So let's just place that there. And then we're just gonna have to test it. See if we can repair with it. Or if it's gonna yell at us for not having supplies. Could we steal one of the... Oh, these vehicles also gone. No, they are... Oh, we're missing a truck here. Missing a truck there. Oh my god. This is frustrating. Okay, we're coming back to you. So, you have the PK, yes, and you have stuff destroyed, cool. So we're just gonna copy you, steal you back here, and place it there. Engineers. Well, clearly we need some fucking repair wrenches. Any chance I put a repair wrench in you? I did not. Annoying. There is one away, I think. No, there isn't, because we copied from here. Just thought the starter one. Damn it. Oh, yes, there's one. Okay, so failed at copying. Okay, so take. I repair. Repair engine. Insufficient supplies. Okay, so we're missing supplies for you. Because you have 0 supplies. Oh, this is interesting. Definitely not what I want. Oops. These are all immats, so they definitely do not work. Let's do you instead. Question is, does it work to just have you here? Parents 4. Cool. Okay, if that doesn't work, then we need to have like a storage. Maybe we can get storage here, and then you just get told to load it on. Because remember, if I had to change it in it, then I had to make my own version, and it just got annoying. Get me a wrench. Oh, we can repair. Okay. I don't remember what else was broken, but I mean that seems to work without adding any supplies to it. Is there supplies? Load supplies, unload supplies. Okay, maybe it's just like some of the big ones that need supplies. I'm just gonna call that. If it works, it works. It's not like anyone actually is fucking getting vehicle out yet. Ooh. Added splint mod. That's gonna be interesting. Cool. So that's fixed. You're still there, so that's good. I'm just gonna assume that that all works. Okay. So we need a URL 320. In tan. None of you are tang. This is tank or ISS core. This was a tanker, right? This was ammo. Can we do this? Yes, we can. Cool. So you have this entity on you. Is there any way we can... Oh. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just super annoying. And we need some light. 2 light data. Okay. So we delete you, rename you, forward. Placements look good. What are you? You are transport fuel. Can you like replace you? Is that a better way of doing this? Let's make a copy of you. Just hit Control Shift Victor to make sure it's spawned in the exact same spot. Okay, so replace with prefab in map. Okay, this is probably what I should have been doing before. UL 4320 install 10. did not seem to do anything. Alright, well, that sucked. Transform. Just gonna put that exactly the same spot. Why? Because. Oh. Alright, yeah, kind of forgot we were going the other way. Alright, cool. Are you not a cupboard? I think we gotta do cupboard. And you also have this, and you have no damage, but you have light. Okay. These are just forcing the lights to be on when the vehicle is on. Okay. Delete that. Update. Cool. Move that up there. Did I rename that? D1. Ugh. We need one of the triggers. Nope. This is the repair one. Thought I messed that up. It's not that big of a deal. It wouldn't have crashed the mission, but it's not exactly great. Delete you. Update that. Okay. It's just a different color, right? So we would like a tanker to be here. Almost there. All right. We just need you. Did I did fuck up. Okay, that works for me. And we just have the lights on here. That's not the button I want to click. Copy headlights, okay. No damage. Coolio. So let's delete that and paste that. Okay. Huh. Sure, the smart ones of you had already seen this one. Around. Okay. I don't want to copy all of that again. Gonna do that at a different time. All right. Was that everything? This doesn't feel right. Don't know what that is. Not gonna change it now. All right. Let's double check everything. This probably still correct. That looks fine. Looks fine. AO limit. US 16 11 12 13 14 31 212. These are both showing us transport trucks. Slightly annoying. Oh, it's supposed to. This is the one that's supposed to be. Did I forget this? Check this out. Okay. The fuck? The fuck? Why is that too? I guess that's fine, I think. Okay. The fuck? Oh. Okay. 5 seems too many. 3 seems to be the right one. Can you be like a repair truck? Still appear to have gear, so that is hopefully fine. There. Look for all the till framework. Okay, so that happened. That is good. If I remember correctly, the next one is like all the way up here somewhere. Is it inside? Oh, vehicle. Forgot my vehicle. You have arrived. Ambush 2. This is all fine. Let's move my guy into some kind of security. Is that gonna make him stand up right away? No. Okay. Come on, spawn something. Intel. Cool, that worked. I would love to see someone start spawning. Don't really remember what my timing is on this. Oh, it doesn't start spawning until... Is it like 5 minutes or something? While we wait for that. So before we start uploading anything, we're just gonna open up our Git and take a look and make sure that what we have is actually what we wanted to change. It's like a sanity check. So in the default, it decided to put them like this instead of like this. I don't know, that's probably fine. We deleted the AI world and added a new AI world because it didn't have any information, no idea why. This is probably bad. Let's take a look. I think he wrote something about that, didn't he? It's not from. Interesting. Did he actually write it in here? I mean, that's not my mission. Alright, yeah, so. And AI is moving, so can't tell you what those are you doing. Clearly they're not needed anymore. So I should probably delete them. So everything is coming in what's it called? In waves more. It's not as random as it was before, so this is perfectly fine. Like we have 5 minutes into a mission. This is the first set of things they need to deal with. So I bet if I go and do this, oh, let's actually confirm that these are in fact down. They are down. Are you dying? No, I don't think you're dying. He's not dying enough for them to not to just fix you. I think I'm going with that is probably fine. I made a document somewhere describing this. Maybe I didn't. Okay, they're responding. That is very likely working as expected. So we are just gonna call that. So coming back to this. So this is our wounded. Looks like they're doing a new way. I did not make any changes to wounded, so I'm actually just gonna discard these changes. Like it's something the editor added. And it's probably more correct. Nah, let's keep it. Alright, in here we deleted a bunch of vehicles. No changes found in this one, so I'm just gonna discard that. Alright. What did I want to write here? Right, missing vehicles? Yeah. That's probably fine. So these are all checked off, so they are being committed. So let's commit that. So this is now in the history of this. Let's publish this branch. Publishing this branch just means that it gets, well, not sent. It means that there is now created a repository on Git up here on my fork of everything. We can see, yeah, we had a traffic jam there. If I click this, there's probably There's no commits. There might have been a commit. Ah, yeah, sorry, it actually did push everything, so it did push it up. So that's up there now. Now we can make a pull request, so we can just click this. I'm not used to GitHub. This is doing things I'm not used to, but I guess it just shows us what is there. So we can just click create, and it opens up this page. On GitHub, we are double checking that we are putting it into global conflicts armor, and we're inside missions folder, so that is fine. Inside missions repo, and we're taking it from my repo, from my missions, and from my brands traffic jam update. Also that we're putting it into master. So here we're just gonna write update to. Oh, do I have that name somewhere? Don't have that name somewhere. We have that name right here. Traffic jam. And all of this is something you so we tested the briefing screen, we tested setup timers. I don't have any custom prefabs. Frameworks work, DQF and end conditions. I did not test, and this is currently broken for me at the moment. Comments, no comments. We delete all of that, and we double check one more time. I don't think there's a way to actually see the files. 3 files changed, that all looks fine. Create the pull request. Cool. That is about it. That's all you can do. Now the reviewer, one of the admins, is gonna come along and hopefully push it. Perfect. I hope you learned something. If you saw me make a big mistake somewhere, feel free to yell at me.